Anyway, we got Mo 5 in the house.
Woo! Applaud.
Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck
No, it's the
yourself.
first minute.
Go fuck yourself.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Go fuck
He's gonna
yourself.
have to censor it.
Future ready. Put under the word mother. All right, I gotta censor everything.
Yeah, it's
Toss the whole thing in the trash can.
Mo 5 and your boys Muck and Grimer.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Like a long time ago, we were
That's
like
crazy.
recording in the room over here. We had like sticks for furniture, and and like we were just recording like bullshit podcast or whatever, right?
Oh yeah, yeah,
Remember?
yeah.
And we're just
yeah.
sitting on the floor, right? Isn't that what was happening? And
I remember being on your floor, and I was crying.
I don't remember.
Wait,
that.
I
what?
remember drinking something then, like when I took like the drink.
Oh yeah, you drank cyanide, I think.
Yeah, and then like I started like feeling sleepy. And I just remember waking up on the floor, like your floor was crusty. So I was like, damn.
Oh, thanks, Mo 5. I almost didn't say Mo 5. Anyway, are you gonna start? Are you gonna start?
Okay, yeah, start the game.
Well, no, hold up.
Okay, wait. Okay,
Just kidding.
all right.
Just kidding.
Hold on.
All right, start the game. We'll start the game.
Okay, new game, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe.
So what is this? I don't even know what this game is.
Oh fuck! Ah!
I can still see the. Oh, never mind. So what is this? What is this game?
I don't know.
Oh, whoa! 7 days after the funeral.
Is it gonna be jump scares?
I don't know. Oh,
Oh no, I'm already scared. Wait, that looks like your bed. You have the same sheets and everything.
what is this?
You got the Minecraft bed. Use mouse to look.
Yeah,
All right, go.
you're on the wall, the mouse and keyboard. I almost said sticks, but there's no sticks here. Oh, wait a minute. Does it the door? Oh my! What is that?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
It's like a fuzzy monster.
Uh-oh.
What the?
Oh!
Is that the Cat in the Hat?
Do they have wings?
I don't know. What the hell is that?
Find on my feet finder.
Wikifeet.com.
It's got some weird ass feet.
I know. What the hell is it? Are
Am
we
I supposed to
gonna
move
Whoa!
around?
Oh, whoa. Ah! What was that?
I
Mother.
think that was Michael Myers, I think.
I'm a burp.
Good job.
Thanks.
Okay, let's go down this
Oh, we
creepy
got-
little hallway.
Is that an iPhone? Not sponsored?
Looks like yeah.
That's like an iPhone like 8, 7th generation or something.
Wait, hold on. I'm trying to get comfy real fast.
Oh,
So,
okay.
hold up. I need you to.
I need you to shut the fuck up.
Nah, just say it. I need you to shut the. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I think the first minute has passed, so Eddie can.
Yeah.
So am I allowed to say? Am I allowed to curse?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're allowed to curse.
Say anything.
Okay.
Or think of the worst thing you can say. Not the worst thing, but the second
Yeah, I
worst
don't
thing.
know. The worst
Oh,
thing, you
so-
might get banned, Eddie.
No, we'll see. Let's try it out. I thought I was gonna get banned from the Quiplash video.
Fuck.
Really?
Yeah, remember the jokes you made?
Fuck.
Yeah, I guess.
Remember the jokes you specifically made and not me?
Me?
Yeah.
I remember. Yeah, I watched it. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. This is a. Oh, did. Oh
I just,
shit!
I just entered a door and I don't know what happened. I have no idea what just happened. Right
look
now.
around. It's like all black now. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. That's tight.
Night 0. What is this? Five Nights at Freddy's or something?
Uh-oh. Oh, watch out, Markiplier!
Whoa! Do you actually kind of spooked me a little bit?
Take.
I thought something was. Take these pills for the prescription. Take 3 red pills.
Take
2 green
4
pills.
rhino pills if it doesn't go up. Okay.
Eddie, what did he say? Like when I asked him, like, because
He said, "Open your mouth," and he spat some in my mouth. And I was like, "Ah!" And it slowly took my wallet out and paid him for it.
So like, should we just play the game or should we tell the story?
You play,
Play
the
the
game. I'll
game.
tell
Yeah,
the story.
yeah.
All right, cool.
Go. We went to the liquor store and the clerk was like, "No. Yeah, he was checking my items out, and Mo5 was like, "Hey, do you sell a lot of these?" He's like, "What are you talking about?" And he's like, "These rhino pills." And he's like, "Oh yeah. Oh, you wouldn't believe it. Yeah. Actually, guys your age," and he like looked at both of us straight dead in the eye. We're like, okay. He's like, "Yeah, you wouldn't believe. You know, some guys, you know, they're stressed or, you know, they take drugs and they get soft." They're like, "Okay."
That urn had like a tribal tattoo on it.
Why is it spinning?
I don't know.
Why is it spinning? What the fuck?
I know. Whoa! It's like freaking out. It's like
Okay, I'll give you a recap. It's some dude's ashes. Name's John.
Jack.
Jack.
His name is
Jack's
Jack.
Jack, you're supposed to be paying attention.
I don't know what's happening anymore.
Throw him in the air vent. Just kidding.
Can we drop it?
Jeez, spread
I
them
can't
on.
drop shit.
Spread it on your face like in Metal Gear Solid 5.
Okay.
Spoilers. I don't know if that's a spoiler or not.
Gotta open this door fast.
Wait, I
Wake up, Kayla!
I wake up. Shouldn't
Oh.
Kayla? Oh no, I shouldn't wake up Kayla. Who's Kayla?
Good question.
The name of the door, you idiot.
You don't want to wake the door. The door's the band up.
Toto, take my rhino pills.
God,
Find a
what
good
they want
spot.
us to freaking take
the
drugs for?
I don't know, but I like how it's turning out.
We haven't even advanced a
I
bit.
know, yeah. What the hell? Find a good spot for the urn.
Maybe on top of the dresser? Put him on top of the dresser.
What dresser?
Well, you gotta explore.
Well, I don't know, actually.
Well, look, that dresser right
That-
there.
Yeah, there's a dresser right there, yeah.
Bam, easy P for place.
Nothing.
Okay, go.
Okay.
I'm even clipping.
Find a
Alright.
different dresser then.
You're right. Yeah, take the pills. You have to take the pills.
But which ones?
He texts you. Remember, he texts you how many you're supposed to take.
Give me the
Noah's gonna freaking overdose.
You said his name, you fucking idiot.
Oh, sorry. Mo5's gonna overdose. You can censor that. Sorry.
I,
You can
I don't.
censor
I don't give a fuck. I really
it.
don't.
Yeah, you could bleep
I
that.
don't give a fuck.
Sorry.
We gotta keep you anonymous.
Nah, I really don't care.
Oh, you don't care anymore?
Nah, I'm good.
Wow, you retired the Mo5
The
surname?
the legacy.
That's up to you if you want. If you don't care,
I
then
really
you
don't care. Honestly,
Okay.
I really fucking don't.
Well, now you guys know. You guys know his
No, no,
secret
no.
his
No, we-
secret identity.
You're gonna overdose.
I'm trying to take the damn pills.
Read the damn text.
Take my pills.
He texts you how many you're supposed to take.
Look at your
three?
phone.
I know. Look
Okay. What does it say?
Go
it
back.
says, I still can't accept that he's gone. Just like last week, I was still talking to him. He seemed happy, and everything seemed normal. I never expected this from him. I thought I knew my brother. Who fucking drove him to this?
That's stupid fucking Carl saying that. Who's Carl?
Carl.
It's that dude from it's New
From,
Neutron.
oh, okay.
Oh, like, I still can't accept that he's gone.
Can I have a croissant?
Can I have Jimmy's mom?
Okay, the thing is, I can't change the fucking phone. I can't.
You can't go back?
I can't go back.
Use
and
your
mess it up.
mouse or something.
Move. The mouse.
Press backspace or something.
Press the left arrow.
Left arrow. Nothing.
Or
Nothing.
Or the A, I mean
Nothing.
A.
All right.
Oh, never mind. You're just moving around. Fuck, that's stupid. Oh, just take whatever pill, and if you
It was like
get it
3
right, you get it
red
right.
ones, 3 blue ones, and 2 green ones, I think.
It's all right. Here we go. We're gonna take some fucking pills. Here we go.
We're off to a rocky start.
fucking nothing.
Click it.
And well,
I see it moving. Oh,
oh my
You-
god! I gotta take the cap off first, genius.
Wow, this is great.
damn! All right, let's go.
That's
All right, I think it was 3 red ones.
That's yellow. Well,
Oh,
you know.
what? we took
we're
all. Oh my
dying.
god!
You're gonna hallucinate.
Oh,
shit!
no.
Go to sleep or something.
Oh shit!
We're gonna game over.
I'm put him down.
There's no more.
you
You took them all.
They're on your shoes or something. No, you ate them. No water or anything.
Yeah, what the hell?
You're fucking cool.
I'm gonna go to bed.
You gotta take.
I'm gonna go to bed.
No, you're gonna have fucking sleep paralysis.
Can't sleep. To do still got things.
Can't sleep.
Oh,
Still
no.
things to do.
You took your dyslexia pills.
Fuck.
You gotta take the rest of the pills.
All of them?
Might as well take all of them. You already
You
fucked
have
it
to
up.
take
Alright,
the it was like 3 red ones, 3 green, 3 blue
Down,
ones.
it's not even a red. This is purple.
Down the hatch.
Ah, fuck it. Just take them all. What can you do?
Oh
now
no!
take some of them green ones.
Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, nice. Now we need to sleep. That should be enough. Yeah, there we go. We did it. Oh, we're falling asleep.
Wow.
Falling asleep mode. Activate.
Now. Is that are those the eyes up there?
Now they're boobs.
The sleepy eyes? Oh, they're boobs. Okay,
boobs and a belly button?
a belly button tattoo. It's like the Batista tattoo.
Would
Like
you
how
go-
they what?
What?
Would I do what?
Would you ever save your game?
No.
That's a face. It's a face.
Oh God, what is that?
Oh, never mind.
Okay. Oh, what? We gotta keep Kayla and Kyle alive.
They're kind of like dying, I think.
No.
Kayla and Kyle are still alive. The death of your children is final and cannot be reversed.
Oh,
These are your kids.
shit.
This is like that movie I was talking about, Skin and Marink.
That's what I was gonna say. Like the angle, like at the beginning,
Yeah.
was kind of like the that you were telling me.
Some actions, like bringing your children to sleep or protecting them from what?
Harm.
From harm. Sorry, I can't read. Will increase their well-being.
All right.
Okay, continue.
So I mean, they're good, but
wait, hold on.
okay,
I'm sorry.
No, well, go ahead.
I think I'm getting it. All right. So the point of okay. So we took pills, right? We're in bed, and now we're in sleep. So like we're in the dream world. Now we gotta like protect our kids.
I don't know. Like
I don't know. You seem like a really shitty parent because you're just falling asleep.
no, it's loading. Sorry.
Hope it doesn't close.
You can bleep that out.
Wait, what'd you say?
I'm just gonna cut off your whole track. That's it.
Go ahead.
I'm just kidding.
It's loading, right?
Yeah, he's sleeping. It's his real time. You fall asleep for 8 hours.
Imagine.
There's a game like that
Wait, what?
where you play in real time, and I think it takes like 400 and something days to like. You know what I'm talking about?
It's like 40 days.
What?
40? No, I think it was like
It's like the king is supposed to be like waking up, right?
I don't know. He looked
Press
like
F.
He looked like
He's like
F.
little, like
There we go.
what?
Look, see.
You found it out.
See, I told you. Look, you see that?
like what?
he's like a little devil creature.
You're right, Ruben. You're right.
Yeah. See,
I think so, yeah.
I knew that F thing was
Yeah.
for something.
You can just
Sleep or wake.
Yeah,
That's
that's
tight.
that's the one.
40 days.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Eddie, check this out.
400 days.
He's
I don't know.
It's 40.
like you have to press F. Like the thing are eyes. See, I told you they were eyes.
Yeah, their eyes.
I thought they were titties.
And if I press F,
They're
You're
titties.
They are. Yeah.
Just
Okay. Do you have to hold F the entire time?
yeah. I think I gotta like look for
Oh,
stuff.
you're gonna look for your sleep paralysis demon.
No, this is like Five Nights at Freddy's. We have to check the freaking.
No, I think I'm with Eddie. Like you gotta find like your sleep paralysis demon.
You
or
know
something.
what?
and it's your mother. Oh, guys.
Nice.
Guys.
I never had sleep paralysis. I had sleep paralysis, but I never saw demons.
Oh, sorry,
I never saw demons. You know.
dude. Stop doing. You
Look-
can't get up from your.
Look
chair?
look down. Look down.
Yeah, look at your lap. Oh, I guess not.
Keep looking at the door. I want to see what happens. Wait, look up. Look up. I swear to God, I saw something.
Oh, he's losing. How many pills did you take?
I took all 800.
Red pill.
Blue pill, red pill.
Oh, sorry, never mind. You're blue pill.
What the fuck? What's going on?
I don't think anything's gonna happen.
No. Well, maybe not this time, but
You can't get up from your chair and go explore more.
I can't. I'm stuck.
Oh, I guess we beat the game.
But I think you guys got like. I think it's like one of those things where you gotta look out for clues and shit.
Mm.
can you like skip to the next morning or something? Or is this like
Is this it?
you have to watch out for demons?
I don't know. I really don't know. I'm trying to get up.
Oh, you got up! Yay! How'd you do that?
What? I don't know. I just pressed this F button and I started walking around.
Oh, you're woozy.
Oh my
this is
God.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
No, you're like
The F is
I think take my pills, close the windows.
should
You have to close 5 windows. Oh man.
Okay, go around and close all the windows. Oh, this isn't so bad.
Okay, yeah, there's like 4 windows in that just that corner.
Fucking easy.
Easy mode.
Also, why are you in a boarded up house? Are you in a condemned house? What the hell?
And second of all, why do I need to close the windows?
Because it's cold and you're gonna catch a draft.
You gotta watch out for the demon.
Oh, what is that?
Is that Kyle?
That's your kid, dude. He's playing ball with his,
It's Kyle and Kayla or
with his
whatever.
telekinetic sister.
Jesus, that scared me, man. How are you? They're not moving.
They look cool.
They have like telekinetic powers.
Hello, father.
Hello.
Do you like to play ball with me?
Look at that TV.
You look
though.
kind of fucking freaky. Look at them.
I know. Go in the room.
Bring to sleep. What does that mean?
Oh, you're supposed to put them to bed? Yeah, why are they up? Fucking
Also, wait. This is
It's a hiding spot.
Is this the bed that we saw in the beginning?
Oh, yeah, it is. But it was on the other side.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't close the windows. Let me go close the windows.
Yes, please.
You have to close. I think. How many did you close for?
He closed 2 already.
Okay, you gotta close 3 more.
All right, let's close this one. Close that one. Oh, that shit's open.
No,
Oh, dude.
What if any face is gonna come out?
I know. That's what I was like. That's what I'm like scared of.
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Open.
No.
That one's closed.
No.
I think you closed all of them now.
No, there's another room.
No.
Yes.
I'm gonna look
Wait,
for this
what?
room.
Go back. Go back.
No,
where the
they're
kids
all,
were.
They're all closed
In the hallway.
Oh,
That one.
that's creepy. I don't know why you guys.
Not that one. The
that's-
one at the end of the hall right
That's
there.
weirding me out.
Left.
Oh god.
Sorry.
No, there's
Oh,
no window in
That's a
here.
window. I don't know if it could be
it's-
closed.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's
really.
a mirror. That one.
Oh, that
Oh,
one.
what?
Oh.
Yo,
Okay.
Why is there a metal
fools.
bar there?
Someone snuck in.
Remove metal bar.
Remove it. Drag it. Drag it.
Drag it out. There you go.
Jesus, who put that
Now
there?
you can close it.
Yeah, now you can close it. So you get a message. You get a message on your phone. How are the children? Like, fine, they're using their telekinetic powers to play catch.
One of them's bald and bulging
Click on
eyes.
it. Click on it. Yeah, there you go.
You guys want to read it? Or I'm gonna read it.
You read it.
You read it. Yeah, you read it.
How should I read it?
Read it in a Skeletor voice.
All right.
Okay, ready, guys? He's gonna read it in his Skeletor voice.
Mary, how has it been going? Nah, I could, honestly, I could do like more like a Willem Dafoe.
Okay, do Willem Dafoe.
Hey, Peter. Nah.
You know how much I sacrificed.
Do you know how much I sacrificed?
I'm gonna squash you like a bug.
Can I practice like a stoner voice?
Yeah, go
Oh,
ahead.
sure. Whoa, Mary. How's it been going? Are you feeling better? I worry about you, so I sucked.
Nikolai, how are you? It's your cousin.
Nico, let's go bowling.
I'll just read it. I'll read it my
Yeah,
way.
you just read it in your voice.
Mary, how has it been going? Are you feeling better? I worry about you so much. How are the children?
They're dead.
Their telekinetic powers are coming through, so it's been great.
They're freaks.
Mo5, you just clicked away. No, click it, or like click away.
There you go.
Oh, there you go. It's tight.
Oh, you could look at the Dr. Hughes one.
Oh,
where he
now
tells
you can look at it.
He tells you how much. 3 red pills, 2 green pills, and 3 blue pills.
You took at least some
you
of
took
those.
like 5 million of each. So
Technically, you're not wrong.
he says, do not take any more than what is prescribed,
Oh,
or
you, you took them wrong.
you risk or running the risk of suffering intense. And I can't read the
It's
rest.
because I have a big head.
Because of what?
It's because I have a big fucking head, and you just don't want to admit I have a big head.
No, it's just that the microphone's in the way.
But why are you gonna make fun of my big head? No, I'm just that wasn't funny. Cut that bit out. Cut that bit.
Cut all this out.
Call Aiden Ross.
Don't worry, this is whole Aiden Ross.
Call Aiden Ross.
What does he got that I don't got? Fake Kim Jong Un.
What were we supposed to do?
Close all the windows
And then take your
and
pills.
take your pills, but you gotta go to the pharmacy to pick up your medicine. You took all of them.
Cousin, let's go bowling.
Go back to the.
Oh, he's right here.
Oh my god! You scared the shit out of me.
Did you forget Kyle was right
why,
there?
why are they bouncing the fucking Ninja Turtle head?
They're bouncing the ball using
Oh, I think-
telekinetic powers.
Go back to your vision board or whatever it was,
Vision board.
where you had like
That is
the cork board.
The smorgasbord.
The smorgasbord.
Smorgas.
Yeah, go in there.
All right.
Look at that.
Oh, you close. Oh, you had
Oh, I need one more window.
one more
Oh,
window.
what the balls? I thought you did it.
Let's go find that one more window.
You didn't reopen.
Yeah.
Nah.
What? No. Did you close the window that you took the bar from?
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Look,
I'm positive.
check.
Why you
check,
gotta yell at
check.
me? What the fuck?
I'm just
He
saying,
doesn't
check.
believe you.
Okay.
He's
Okay.
gaslighting you.
Look.
All
Look.
right. All
Look.
right.
Okay.
All right. What other
You
windows are
fucking
there?
made Kyle cry over here.
Close his eyes, cause he's scaring me.
Slap him.
Why would you do that, father? Ow.
Sounds like Vision.
This is vision.
What?
What?
You have stamina bar?
What? Yeah, fool. Foe. Foe.
Wait, go back to the other room. Sorry.
Father, I am playing with sister. I am playing catch with sister. Please do not interrupt. Please.
What the fuck's wrong with your head?
Oh my god, her head is phasing in and out of reality.
All right, let's get out of here. We've
Continues
been here.
continues to go to a dead end.
I know.
Let's get out of here,
Let's
guys.
get out of here.
This is the whole game.
Start going. Ooh, ooh.
Ooh.
Open.
No, that's open.
Open.
That's closed. I mean closed.
Go to the other hall, please. Not that one. Go the.
I need stamina.
For what?
I got
To walk?
I got 1 dot.
You
Give me some time.
You
will
need
ya?
stamina to walk?
Yeah, we know you need stamina to run.
Why do you need to run inside
Yeah, why
your dumb
you-
house?
Because
Yeah,
it's
why you-
faster.
Why do you run inside your house?
Because
200 foot square foot. Cut that part out. Go down.
That window's open right there.
which one?
Right there in front of you. Right
oh,
there.
right there. Here you go.
There you
Alright.
go. See? Now you got to take your pills now.
Yeah, grandpa, go take your pills.
You got to take your pills now.
Okay,
Remember
I don't know where my room's at.
Quit nagging me.
the smorgasbord one.
Go back.
For my fucking room.
Stop running inside the house.
I'm not trying to run.
Don't you have manners?
Why do you live in a condemned house?
Go. No, why are you going in the kitchen? Go. Go in there.
Stop yelling at me.
I'm old. Left. I'm just sleepy.
Oh man, this is a great start to
I want vanilla. Go to the room.
go back. Back.
Why's your stupid fucking TV in the middle of the goddamn room where no one can see it?
Mo 5, you want me to control the game?
No.
Okay.
Leave your stupid kids alone. You're deformed to fucking ugly kids
You're
alone.
friggin' mutant kids.
Stop
They got
Stop it.
You're fucking
psychological powers.
Your fucking toxic Avenger son. And your medieval clipping
Where's
daughter.
my goddamn room?
Oh no, this is just like Weed Shop 3 all over again.
Oh no. It's hitting. It's hitting.
His third eye's opening. No. All right, go in there.
Yeah, now you gotta take your pills. Take your pills. Take your pills.
I'm not even hungry.
Do you remember how many there were?
3 red, 2 green, 3 blue.
I think that's red. 3.
Oh, you only have 1.
Well-
What?
Fuck.
Just take all of them.
Just take, fuck it. Just take all of them.
Down the hatch.
No, you gotta. Okay, there's
Okay,
one
well-
each. What the hell? I think you used too many last time, so now you only have 1
Fuck.
each.
You're fine. Oh,
Oh,
that'll make up for the rest.
okay, and now you gotta sleep.
Can't sleep. If,
Put the
children-
kids to bed.
Yeah,
God damn it.
They're playing friggin' telekinetic catch.
Go to fucking bed. Go to fucking bed. I'm fucking sleepy right here. Come here. I got stuck by TV. Get dressed in fucking bed. Let's go. Come here.
That's
Where do they go?
That's a kitchen.
You slam the fridge.
Go to bed. Go to fucking bed. Come on.
You gotta bring them to sleep.
Come- I got the ball.
You gotta hypnotize them.
Oh,
Bring
they're
to sleep.
bored. What the hell?
They're bored. Go to fucking
I'm
bed.
bored.
Okay, talk to Kayla.
Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
Talk to Kayla. Look up. What was she saying? Look up.
Hold up. My shoulder hurts, dog.
Okay, you want
Be
you want me,
patient.
you want me to play?
No?
Do you
yeah,
wanna-
okay. But, give me like 5 minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay, we can take a break if you want.
Are we taking 5? No.
No, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going.
Okay.
Or I'm gonna talk to Kayla. I'm bored. They're both fucking bored. These fucking brats.
They're find something for them to like play with.
Play with this fucking perfume bottle. Come here.
Go to their
Suck a dick.
room. On the right.
What did it say? It said jobber.
No, turn the lights off.
Turn the lights off. Carry me home.
All right, turn lights. Lights off. All right, there we go.
Give them the bunny to play with or something.
Oh god damn it.
You
Here.
got 2?
Yeah.
I should have got 2. No, I shouldn't have.
Nah, well, yeah, maybe you should.
Play hide and seek with them or something. I don't know.
Oh, turn lights off. There we go.
Yeah, turn the lights so that way they can't see.
Lights off.
Gorilla Radio.
Turn that fucking.
Turn that shit up. I know it says lights out, but what are you gonna do? You work with what you got.
I'm out of stamina.
You're out of your mind. If
Why are
you
you
think it's
running in your own house?
I don't fucking know, Ruben. Do I live here?
Look to the people.
Okay, thanks. do I fucking live here, Ruben? Does it look like I live here?
Turn
Yeah, I
off
mean-
all the lights. Fuck
You
it.
got the kids' house decorated. and
Fuck
you got
it,
your
might as
pills
well.
Here, so I think you live here.
Here we go.
Turn off all the lights. They gotta sleep if it's fucking dark.
Now, yeah.
I'm bored.
What the hell?
I'm bored. I am bored. Father,
Fucking
I
nerd.
am bored. I
Fuck.
will bounce ball.
Fucking nerd. Look at this.
I'm bored.
Damn.
Father, when will we bring
bored?
upon the destruction of humanity? I am bored. I am bored.
I am so fucking
Father, I am bored.
You can have the headphones in.
Do it now.
No, you can keep them because I mean, oh well, actually, yeah, I think I might need them actually. I don't know what the fuck to give them to like play with.
Take their stupid ball away.
Actually, you know what? Yeah, I could probably do that. Try that. Hey, oh, I could catch it.
Why is this forehead big?
I should be playing this game.
How do I?
What? That's it?
Click it?
How do I?
Oh, you
click-
gotta press F.
Click,
Oh,
click.
F.
Yeah.
Okay.
Boom.
There you go.
Aha.
Fucking killed the fucking.
Father,
Ruin their
why
day.
have
Talk.
you done this?
I'm gonna talk. Oh, F.
I'm
I'm
bored.
Oh, fuck, you're bored. We're gonna bring you to sleep.
I guess I'll follow you back to the bed.
All right. Come on.
Take this stupid, funky ass.
This is your room, right?
Yep.
Fucking get in the
I
bed.
must slumber. Oh my god.
He Family Guy threw himself.
He just threw himself on the bed.
Damn.
All right, you fucking
And bring this little
Kid.
demon to bed.
bring you to sleep.
Ruben, I'm a fucking sleepy.
I guess I'll follow you back to bed.
God, look at her face.
Do they sleep in the same bed?
It's a bunch of pixels. Let's go. I don't. Where's your
Oh,
room at?
Was
I
that
don't-
the other room?
I
I
think
thought
it's-
that was your room.
No. Well, no, I sleep on the friggin' recliner.
That's
Remember?
fucked. Okay, that's
Yeah,
fine.
this is. See, look, you have to
Throw it on the beanbag chair.
get in. All right, we got the kids in bed. Let's go to sleep.
Great.
Let's go to
Yeah,
sleep
we're back,
ourselves.
we're
Okay,
back.
we gotta sleep because Mo 5 took his 5 million pills.
Yeah, go to
and
sleep.
we gotta go to sleep. Falling asleep. Now we gotta look. Is it like?
Oh, dude, that lit up. That wasn't lit up before.
Was it not?
No, it was dark.
Are you sure?
I swear on this game.
Well, we'll just wait for us to fall asleep.
Guys, want to hear a scary story?
Yeah.
I was alone in my house one time.
This is Deader Times, by the way.
This is Deader Times. I was alone in my house one day, and I heard a knocking on my window. And it was late at night. It was like 11 p.m. And I was too scared to look outside. So I kind of like tried to ignore it, and I was watching TV. And I kept hearing tapping on the window.
What?
And I was like, I'm alone because everyone was out. They were either at work or they were just out. I was like, I'm just going to ignore it because I don't want to like deal with it. Whatever. I had my dog inside because I wasn't trying to be like super alone. And so again, I was watching YouTube, so I was just like trying to ignore it. Kept watching, and I was trying to like turn the volume up so I would kind of like drown out the sound in case if it was like, I don't know. I was trying not to overthink. So I kept hearing this tapping noise. And then I heard it from another window. From like the kitchen area.
Yeah.
And if you know my house, my kitchen window is pretty high up.
Yeah.
So you really have to reach, try to get like someone's attention. And I kept hearing it from the distance because I was in my room. So I was starting to freak out, and I was like, "Fuck! I don't know if I should call someone, like, or what. Like, do I go outside? Do I look out? What do I do? I don't know what to do." And I was freaking out, and I was like, "Okay, I'm gonna grab the bat that I had behind the door." I grabbed my bat, and I was like, "Okay, I'm gonna go to like my side door and try to take a peek at whoever's out there, and let's see if it's even someone or if I'm just freaking out and I'm just freaking out, whatever, because I'm alone."
Whoa! Look at this.
Shit.
Cookies.
Eat it. And
Oh, I can't. How do I eat it? I can't eat it.
so I go outside, and I have the bat in my hand, and I take a peek over the gate, and I look towards where the window is, and I see Mo5 with his pants down, and he's tapping the window with his erect wiener, and he's like, he starts mumbling, and I can't really make out what he's saying. All I hear is, "Rhino pill, rhino pills," and I was like, "What?" Rhino pills. And I was like, oh, fuck. And I started.
Oh, God, that scared me. What are you guys doing up?
And then his eyes started glowing like that.